welcome back to my channel and don't mind my hair, it's all over the place because मैंने कल shampoo किया था. I have like minimum makeup on today because as you read from the title, this is going to be a mystery box challenge. Because I didn't have box, I have these two big packets like bag because मेरे पापा मेरे को बॉक्स घर में नहीं रखने देते ड्यू टू कोरोना एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई हैव टू बैग्स हियर. बॉक्स लाइक दिस चैलेंज वाज गोइंग ऑन यूट्यूब सो मच, like mystery box challenge, and I really wanted to do it. I didn't have the budget of 5,000 rupees, but I paid my friends 3,000 rupees. Sumaya and Saurav, I will post their pictures. They are too shy to come in front of cameras and I actually don't want to force them for that, so yeah, it's fine. So they made this for me and let's open this and see. I'm very much excited. You can see मैंने makeup भी ढंग से नहीं किया because I was so excited just to film this video. So let's get, if you're also interested to see what I have got, then let's get into the video. So we'll start from this bag first and इसमें कितने पैकेजेस हैं? 3 पैकेजेस हैं. So let's open this. This is the first one. Yeah, I knew it was a cover. पता चल गया था अभी तो. Oh God, this is Naruto cover. Oh, never expected this, but oh my God, I got a Naruto cover. I think this is from a store called Marized. That is how it is pronounced. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I have no idea. And just now I posted on my Instagram that my brother and sister, they gifted me cover, this one. This is the Game of Thrones one. I'm a really big fan of Game of Thrones, if you don't know. I love that and I got this. This is my first, oh my God. ये expected नहीं था, but this Naruto thing, I loved it. Let's open the second one. Why the hell I'm so happy, I don't know. Okay, this is the second one. This is a perfume. This is a party girl perfume. I really like it. I thank God कि मुझे ऐसे वैसे कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं मिले हैं. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Do you see? I don't know the price, so I'll mention it in the screen. They know me so well. Let me just see the set. I cannot really describe this scent ever if you ask me to, but it's a really nice, it's a strong fragrance, but मुझे भी पता नहीं चल रहा है. I don't know about the fragrance, but I love the packaging. मतलब ये कितना सुंदर है. Oh God. We'll open the third one. उसने मुझे बोले थे कि like 4-5 पैकेज ही थे like. So let's see. Okay, this is a dress. This is a t-shirt, dress, whatever it is. Let's see. Oh my God. Yeah, guys, it's a dress. It's a really nice cheetah print dress. Actually, I told her once that हम लोग अर्बनिक में ऐसे scroll कर रहे थे and I told her once that I really like this cheetah print dress and I really wanted to get it and she got this. Oh God, like this is so pretty. I'll wear it and I'll post or link the video. I just love it. This is really nice. And she got it in large. Okay, she got this in large. I think this will fit me in large also. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. If you're watching this, thank you so much. We'll come into second bag and here we have 3 items. the first thing that comes to my hand is this one. It's also from Amazon. Let's just open it. मैंने उनको बहुत मतलब सताया हुआ था कि मेरे को बताओ क्या ले रहे हो, क्या ले रहे हो. Oh my god, these are beautiful earrings. This is in black and white. These are earrings. This looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Let me just open it and show it to you properly. कहाँ से खुलता है? Yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna look so beautiful. See, this is the white ones. This is how it looks. And okay, the same it's the same design, but these are in the black. And oh my god, I'm sorry, fan नहीं चल रहा है, सिर्फ AC चल रहा है, फिर भी बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. So please kindly don't mind my sweat. And oh my god, these are so lovely. I love it. It's so pretty. From Milex. ये क्या है? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, these are basically key rings. Oh, this is so cute. Can you see? It's a Spotify like playlist wala cheese. So here there is a photo of me and Saurav, and then there is this song, and we really listen to this song. And yes, this is the key ring. तो आप स्कैन करोगे. I think that is how this works. Like, I have to ask them because I love this key ring. Love it. It's pretty. इसमें सुमाया मेरा होगा, मुझे पता है. This is how it looks. It's pretty and cute. I love you guys. I'm just happy. Saurav gifted his girlfriend something like that, and I asked him कि मुझे बताओ तुम ये कहाँ से लिए और कौन से वेबसाइट से लिए. I think because I wanted to get, so they got me basically everything which I wanted to get. Like, this is so cool, and this is like, I love you guys. मुझे लगा कुछ अतरंगी चीज़ें देंगे वो लोग, but this is the last package, by the way. I don't know from where it is, so let's open this. Lol. Okay. They got me noodles. This is the 5-pack noodles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पता नहीं. इसे क्या प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. ये हॉट चिकन फ्लेवर रामेन है, and this is how it looks. It comes in a packet like this. And oh god, I love it. I love ramen, and let's do a ramen eating challenge. It's the spicy one or it's just the chicken one. यहाँ पे कहाँ पे स्पाइसी तो नहीं लिखा हुआ है, पर लग रहा है स्पाइसी होगा. बाय द वे, दिस इज चिकन फ्लेवर. एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा था कि वो कुछ अतरंगी चीज़ें देंगे, लाइक जैसे वी हैव वॉच, बट माई फ्रेंड्स, दे आर सो स्वीट. दे हैव गिवन मी all the things that I really wanted, and I love them so much. If you're seeing this, then I love you, I love you, I love you so much. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the bell notification right next to it so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. मैं तो जा रही हूँ. I'm gonna cook this and eat this right now. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Mwah.